I see 16 counters. That means there must be, Michael, how many?
4.
Michael, how did you know that without even seeing them?
I was counting ahead, and if 6 plus 4 equals 10, then 16 plus 4 has to equal 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And I just wanted to demonstrate as a beginner how easy it is to build with blocks using MinecraftEdu. So right here you can see that I have a number line that leads up to the target for their bow and arrows shooting. And I have 0 here, but I need to fill in the other blocks in between the 0 and the 5. And I need my blocks that I'm going to use. So I've gone to the inventory by pressing the letter E, and this pops up, and I'm under the building block tab. And I've selected the colors that I wanted. I just picked different colored wool blocks, and I put them there. And I always include the grass block. In case I hit the wrong block, it's easy for me to fix it if I already have that in my inventory. So I have what I need. I'll press E to remove this screen, and now I'm ready to build. At the bottom of the screen you can see all the blocks that I've selected, and the block that's outlined is what you'll build with. So I'm going to start with my light green, and I just right click where I want it, and there it goes. Now I'm going to go to my next square, and I'd like for that one to be orange, so I'm going to use my little scroll bar and select the orange block, right click, and there it is. And I want the next block to be the magenta color, so I'll scroll up, right click, and then I'll come up here, and I'd like the next one to be my yellow wool, so I'll right click there. So now if I double click the space bar, I can get a little aerial perspective. I can see that my number line is built. The other feature I wanted to show you that I've learned to use is how to build with more than one block at a time, and it saves all kinds of time. Press E again, and out of screens 1 and 2, I want to go to the second screen. And here you'll see information blocks for MinecraftEdu, and these are the special blocks that have different features to them. And this one right here is where I found my border block. And all I had to do was drag it to my inventory and find it. But now I'm ready to build my fence on top of the border block. So I'm going to go up to my search item, and I'm going to type in fence. And there it is right there. So now I'm going to click the fence block, drag it down to my inventory, and hit escape to get out of there. And this is how I will build with more than one piece at a time. I'll press M, and I'm going to go to the Build tab, the Building Tools, and then I will click Fill Clear Tool. So this is going to help me place things down more than once. I will press M again to remove this. And what you do is you right click. First you have to have the fence tool in your hand. So then you would right click where you want this to start, and then you go to where you want it to end, and right click again. That is how I built all my fences, and that is also how I laid the cobblestone down to give that border around my archery zone.
This is our Minecraft map playland, okay? And what you're looking at is I'm in the air and I'm looking down at our archery field. So let's see. First one says 20 minus 11 equals 5. Do you want to recheck that one and see if your math is correct? There might be I think there's a small bug in that thinking.
9.
Okay, that's right. So you can go fix that equation.
6, 7, 8, 9.
There we go. Check all of your equations and make sure you put the right numbers where you meant to put them, okay? 20 minus 15 equals 5. 15 plus 5 equals 20. So they're on the right track. I'm also evaluating how they're working as partners. I'm seeing some students not quite on task. This is the first time they've had to follow directions explicitly and not just free play. But for the most part, I think they're getting the hang of it.